one of the things that we normally do is deliver packages. You got VHO, you got other small companies that allow you to just use your already existing car and transport stuff to random locations. Amazon's got a company that allows you to transport packages. UPS, USPS. You see people dropping off packages in their cars. They're not even in company vehicles anymore. That's because they have offset the abundance of packages. They have offset that to subcontractors to deliver these packages for them. There's also companies that pays even more than the average delivery company to transport medical supplies and hazardous materials. You just have to get the certification for some of that stuff. But if you're willing to put up a little bit of cash to get some of that stuff done, you would be able to then utilize a little bit of capital to turn yourself into your own transportation company. You work when you feel like it, you leave when you want to, and you're making a little bit of money. If you've got your regular 9 to 5 already, but you're trying to do a little bit of extra cash, this is a good way to get you some more money on the side where you don't have to worry about really promoting yourself, because there's already a demand. They need drivers and you've got the supply. You're going to drive. That's how you set this up. We already know about rideshare stuff, and rideshares is just like delivering packages. Uber, Lyft, now they just started advertising Black Wolf, which are all rideshare companies. They're transporting people. Transporting people is just like transporting packages. The demand is someone or something is in one location and they need to get into another location, and they don't want to wait for the normal services to get it there. So all of these companies are able to start up transporting people and stuff from one place to the next in order to get that stuff done. And you can make you a little bit of money off of it. You can make you a lot of bit of money off of it if you scale it up. But it requires you to make a little bit of money here and there and reinvest 40 to 60% of it back into your business in order for you to build it up. You also got another way that people can do, which is easy, but I don't really like it. I've tried it before. Rent your spare rooms out. You can do this through Airbnb, where you can rent out a room. I don't like it. And one of the reasons why I don't like it is because you now have to keep your house extra clean for strangers to come into your house and potentially tear up your house. Now, I had a lot of good guests that came over through Airbnb and other such places where they would come random hours of the night, first thing in the morning, on weekends. I wasn't even expecting them. And some would show up and be there for a few hours. Some would show up and be there for a couple days. It gave me somebody to talk to because I live alone. But the problem is, I have to be more accommodating. I have to remember I got people in the house. I got to come out of my room dressed, so there's a lot of things that I got to deal with that. But if you're trying to make you some extra cash and you got some extra space in your house, renting out a room is another way to make you some money. Another way to make you some money, renting out space in your room.